In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list using Google Sheets. All you have to do is select the cell where you want your drop-down list to be in. So in our case, it's going to be cell B3. Once you select that cell, go to data, then select data validations. And from here, we're going to add a rule. And what this data validation rule is doing is going to apply our drop down list to cell B3 here. What we need to do is set up our criteria, and I'm going to choose the criteria from a range. So I'm going to come here and select drop down from a range, and I'm going to select the range. I'm going to select the data range, and it's going to be column J is what I want to use. So I'm going to come here and just drag all this down and hit OK. And once I have that, basically my drop down list is set up at this point. So all I have to do is click done, and I can close this. And when we come over here to our drop down list, we have our drop down list with our divisions. The only drawback to this is, like, what if I add another division? If I add something like Tim as a division and then this as a division, this drop down list doesn't update. And the reason why it doesn't update is because our range is locked in place. Our range is basically looking up here, this column, this range of data, but we want these new departments added in. We can fix that by selecting that cell again, selecting data, going into data validations, and we can edit this rule. We had this rule looking up just this data, but we want to include all this. And what if we want to add new divisions in the future? So me personally, I like my data validation rule to look up the entire column J. So to adjust that, I just delete this N, the 13, and the $sign, because what I wanted to do basically is look up the entire J column. And when I do that and I hit done, everything is set in place now. Now when I go and look at my drop down list, it'll show the new divisions that we added. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.